Today we've brought you a dash cam that is essential for anyone who owns a vehicle. Let's first take a look at what is printed on the package. It's printed on the box 2.7K Ultra HD video dual channel recording built in. GPS with ADAS app enabled. Let's take this apart and see what's inside. A device has been released that anyone can install. They have sent us a cable for the camera. You stick this part to the windshield and mount the dash camera onto it. They have sent us an adapter to get power. They have also sent us another wire to connect the rear camera. This one is quite long. We have received some paperwork and a sticker to affix to the glass. Here is the rear camera. It has an excellent build quality. Their logo, 70 Mi, is printed on the camera. This camera has been designed so that we can turn it in any direction we want. Let's pick up the main camera now. The main camera can also be rotated back and forth, just like the rear camera. This main camera unit has 4 buttons for operation. At the rear, there is a memory card slot, a power cable slot, and a connection point for the rear camera wire. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with others. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.